Hi everyone, I'm Dewey and my teammate Matthew. This semester we built a mobile app called HomeFoods. Community home-based cooks are not easy to discover. There are a lot of people who want to purchase authentic home-cooked meals, but they have limited resources available. On the other hand, there are many people who want to make money from selling their home-cooked foods in their own kitchen, but they also can't find a platform entirely dedicated to that purpose. Our application allows home-based cooks to sell their signature homemade dishes with people in their community. Our app offers the easiest way for users to discover home cooks nearby and explore diverse and affordable homemade foods around them. No more hassle of joining every food group on Facebook or spending hours finding an authentic food restaurant on Yelp. HomeFoods is a new platform where users can discover delicious meals made by home chefs in their community. The next part is a demo of our application. The first user story is the seller who can create an account, log in, and view the dishes. Let's open up the app. You can register as a seller or a buyer. Let's register as a seller, fill out the needed information. You can also choose a text that helps buyer find you easier. You can add a description, select the kitchen days, and add a picture as an avatar for your home kitchen. Now you can log in with that credential and view the dishes in your home screen. Now the user can add a new dish by just clicking on the plus sign button on the screen. Once again, fill out the needed information. After submitting the form, the new dish will appear on the seller home screen. The second user story is the buyers, who can create an account, log in, and view all the sellers nearby using the buyer's current location or a specific location. Now let's log in using an already registered buyer account. This is the buyer's home screen. The app uses the buyer's current location, which is in San Francisco, to fetch and display all the nearest sellers from San Francisco to San Jose. The miles indicate how far it is from the buyer's current location to that place. Buyers can also enter a specific location and view all the sellers nearby. The list of sellers will be updated accordingly. So once the buyers click on the seller, they will enter the seller details screen where they can interact with the seller. They can call the seller. They can locate the seller using Google Maps. They can chat with the seller. And they can also rate or review the seller. Now the buyers can select the wanted items from the seller list and add them to their cart. The cart screen shows all the information for the buyer to review before they can proceed to payment, including the seller information, order items, and total price. If the buyer wants to change their order, they can just clear it and go back to the item list. The buyer can also add additional information, but they have to enter the scheduled pickup day before they can place the order. After reviewing the order, buyers can proceed to payment using the PayPal portal. They just have to follow the instruction to logging into their PayPal accounts and make the final payments. After the payment went through, the order confirmation screen will appear. Buyers can always view their placed orders by clicking on the summary icon on the navigation bar. Upon the buyers place the order, the seller will receive it in real time. and they can find it in the order summary. They can also see the buyer's chat in the chat room. Due to time constraints, we have to move some of these requirements into desirable for future improvements. First, we will enable filter search results based on tags, and we will make searching more efficient. Second, we will complete the chat room, the review and rating feature, which is halfway done. Third, we will create a feature that allows users to add favorite cooks to their personal list. And last, we hope to enhance buyer and seller interaction by allowing seller to accept or reject buyer's order that is impossible to fulfill, and then notify buyers when their orders are ready to be picked up.